Hi, this is Jeremy here on behalf of ExpertVillage. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about weaving larger complex balloons like this one behind me with the ExpertVillage logo, and kind of just a backdrop to help set the mood. It used over actually 100 balloons in that, and it's fairly loosely woven. You can get a lot tighter weave on that. And then the ExpertVillage itself, each of the letters used 160, get them as small as possible. For making that sort of cloth, what you do is you're going to be creating diamond shapes. And I'll go ahead and just show you with 4 balloons how to do that. Go ahead and twist these 2 balloons together so you get a V shape. You want 2 of those. And once you have 2 of those together, what ends up happening is you create an upside down V with those 2. And usually you would have more of them. I'm just going to go ahead and create sides as if you had more of them twisting into each other. You basically keep on going up as far as you want to create diamond shapes in the fabric. As you can see, there's a lot of different diamond shapes in this one. The more attention you spend to the sides and the flatter you can get the material. A lot of times you don't want it flat, you want it curved so that you can make a person design. And a lot of times too, balloons you can stuff back in to the diamond shape to fill it out. And you can actually weave it back and forth in through the balloon.